4 billion people watch soccer. They watch the passes, the goals, the drama. They do not see the AI that is changing everything behind it. The way players are scouted. How injuries are prevented. Which tactics win matches. Even which goals count. AI is inside the sport you love. And it is only just getting started. Here is how AI is changing soccer. Every level. Right now. You have seen it happen. A goal is scored. The crowd goes wild. Then the referee touches his earpiece. VAR. Video Assistant Referee. It's AI reviewing every camera angle simultaneously. Drawing the offside line. Measuring positions to within 2 centimeters. The 2022 World Cup used 12 cameras to track 29 body points on every player. Every limb. Every shoulder. Every part that can be offside. What used to take 5 minutes of human review now takes 2 seconds. In the Premier League last season, VAR intervened 123 times. It corrected 93 match-changing errors. In one match, Manchester City vs Tottenham, AI spotted an offside by just 1.88 centimeters. A human referee could never see that. AI caught it in 2 seconds. That is not a technology story. That's a football story every fan already felt. A scout used to travel thousands of miles. Watch one player. Write notes. Come home. They could see maybe 50 players a year. Thousands of players could change your club's future every single year. AI sees all of them. Platforms like StatsBomb track more than 3,000 data points from a single match. Not just goals and assists. How far a player runs when your team doesn't have the ball. How fast they decide, under pressure. Where they stand before the pass arrives. Wyscout holds a database of over 180,000 players, globally. Liverpool used this kind of data to scout Mohamed Salah from Roma, before he became world-class. Brentford, a fraction of the budget of the Giants, built a whole squad on AI analytics. They found players other clubs missed. Sold them for massive profits. Used the money to find the next ones. AI let a small club punch above its weight, in the richest league on earth. That's the democratization of football. Here's the actual gap, charted. Your favorite player is injured. Again. Most football fans know that feeling. Top clubs are now using AI to prevent it. Every training session, every player wears a GPS tracking vest. It measures distance, speed, acceleration, body load, heart rate, every second. AI processes all of it, over months. It learns what a healthy player looks like. Then it spots when something changes, before the player feels anything. Shorter strides than usual. Slightly slower acceleration. A change in how they land after a jump. AI flags it. The medical team rests the player. The injury never happens. Manchester City used this approach to keep one of the lowest injury rates in the Premier League. Clubs using AI injury prediction report 20 to 30% fewer muscle injuries. Each prevented injury saves roughly £2 to £5 million. Coincidence? Ask their medical team. They'll tell you it's data. Before every match, coaching staff used to spend 20 to 40 hours manually watching video. Looking for patterns. Finding the weakness. AI now does this in hours. It watches every match an opponent has played this season. Maps their defensive shape. Where they press. When they press. What makes their defenders step out of position. Expected goals, XG, is now on every broadcast. That number is an AI calculation, the probability a specific shot, from a specific position, scores. Liverpool's pressing revolution under Klopp wasn't just instinct. AI identified exactly when opponents were most vulnerable to being pressed. The tactics were built on the numbers. The beautiful game has always had moments of genius. Now it has data behind the genius, too. Here's exactly how much time AI gives back. When you watch soccer, you're already experiencing AI. The camera that follows the ball seamlessly, that's AI controlled. No human operator can be that precise. The speed number on your striker's run, measuring in real time. The XG graphic. The passing network. The heat map. All AI. All live. At the stadium, AI facial recognition scans tens of thousands of faces at entry points, automatically. Within minutes of the final whistle, AI has already edited your personalized highlight reel. Sent to your phone before you reach the car park. And if you play fantasy football, the AI tools recommending your transfers sit inside a $9 billion industry. The biggest AI story in soccer might be the one fans use every week. Everything you've seen so far is already happening. Here's what comes next. AI coaching assistants, live in matches. A real-time suggestion, in the manager's earpiece, during the game. Automated foul detection. FIFA is testing it. Lower leagues could have it by 2030. Academy players wearing sensor suits, comparing their movement to Mbappe at the same age. Smart balls transmitting their location 500 times per second. Adidas already uses this. Football has always evolved. The offside rule. Substitutions. VAR. Each change was controversial. AI is the next change. It isn't coming. It's here. The question is how deep it goes, and whether the game stays recognizably the same. At the end of 90 minutes, the goal is still scored by a human. The skill. The courage. The moment. Still entirely human. AI is the infrastructure around that human moment. Smarter scouting. Deeper preparation. Better health. A richer view. 4 billion people love this sport because it's unpredictable. Because the underdog wins. Because moments of genius cannot be calculated. AI won't change that. But it's changing everything around it. And the clubs that understand that first will win more often. Subscribe for daily AI coverage. Comment below, as a soccer fan, does AI make the game better, or worse? VR controversies. Data over instinct. AI referees, coming. Tell me where you stand.